Have you written? When a body moves along a circular path, then its direction of motion keeps changing continuously. Direction of motion keeps changing continuously. Full stop. Second point. Since the velocity changes, why are velocity changing? Due to the continuous change in direction. That you should remember. So since the velocity changes, therefore, the motion along a circular path is said to be accelerated. Full stop. Next, all of you keep reading. Uniform circular motion. Uniform circular motion. Right. When a body moves in a circular path, with uniform speed, so uniform speed also we can call it as what? Constant speed. What we should call? Uniform speed also we can call it as constant speed. Understand? Yeah. When a body moves in a circular path with uniform speed, its motion is called uniform circular motion. Uniform circular motion. Clear? Yes or no? Now, if you'll observe, for example you take. Example, a stone tied to a thread is rotated in a circular path. Stone tied to a thread in a circular path. Understand? So let us take now. So if we'll take a stone and if we are trying to rotate, then you can observe here. So when the body is at here, what will happen? The position A, the direction is east. When the body is at here, the direction is south. Like this. So this is called as what? Thread. So every time direction will continuously changing. This is called as stone. Not it. Stone. This is called as stone. So when you are rotating in a circular path, continuously the direction is changing. So it's an example of uniform circular motion. Completed? So now, last 2 points you should write. So if you want to rotate the body in a circular motion, force is needed. So that is 1 point. And also that force is called as centripetal force. The 2 points you should write. A force is needed. A force is needed. Next, after this down you can write. A force is needed. A force is needed to produce circular motion. A force is needed to produce circular motion. Circular motion. A force is needed to produce circular motion. Circular motion. Next point. The force which is needed. The force which is needed. The force which is needed. The force which is needed to make an object. To make an object. The force which is needed to make an object. To make an object. Travel in a circular path. Travel in a circular path. Travel in a circular path is called centripetal force. Is called centripetal force. Is called centripetal force. Is it clear, Ra? Any doubt, anybody?
No, sir. Clear,
No.
sir.
Yeah, let us see. Let us see the examples. Can you able to say anybody examples of this uniform circular motion, please? What is the examples you know? Example.
Clock, sir.
Uniform circular motion. All of you keep heading. Examples of uniform circular motion. Examples of uniform circular motion. Uniform circular motion. So now, can you able to say this? Now, if you'll observe carefully, first one, as we know that we are sending the so many kind of satellites for the every planet. Is it yes or no? We are sending so many planets for the Earth, for the Moon, for the Mars, everywhere. Correct. So all the planets, all the satellites, they are revolving around the Earth. Is it in a circular path or not? They are revolving around in a circular path. Is it yes or no? Is it yes or no? Tell me. That is the first example of circular motion. So if you take any kind of satellites, understand, all the kind of natural satellites or else artificial satellites. So every satellites, they move in a uniform circular motion around the Earth. So that is why the motion of a satellite around the Earth is called as accelerated, because every time the direction of motion is continuously changing, so that this is only known as, that is the reason why we can call the motion of every satellite is the around the Earth is called as accelerated. Like that, if we'll take the moon moves in a uniform circular motion around the Earth. If we'll take the Earth, understanding Earth, so around the Earth in a circular path, the moon is moving also. The moon is also moving in circular path. So moon is also always we can call it as accelerated motion, because the understanding the moon is also in uniform circular motion around the Earth. So that only we can call the motion of the moon is also around the Earth is also called as accelerated. Like that, if we'll take the sun, around the sun, the Earth is also moving in a circular path, so that we can call the Earth around the sun is also accelerated. Understand? So, but here, which force is holding this all? Satellites, moon, Earth and all means only understanding the gravitational force of the sun, which keeps the Earth moving in a circular orbit, like that. The gravitational force of Earth, which keeps the moon revolving around the Earth, like that everything. This gravitational force is only called as centripetal force, which is present in. Like that, if you'll observe, if an athlete or cyclist moving in a circular track, you may observe that if you'll go to the circus and all, the cyclist will go in a circular path continuously. So means in the sense of, or else if a person is running in a circular path, then that is also with a constant speed, is also exhibits uniform circular motion. If a person is running, means athlete or cyclist moving in a circular path, then that is called as with a constant speed is called as uniform circular motion. As well as if you'll observe in our wall clock, always seconds needle, hours needle, and minutes needle. They will go continuously in a circular path. Is it yes or no? Our clock, all the clock, needles of the clock will continuously glow in a circular path. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that is also, we can say, every time the direction is changing. So can we say that it is also uniform accelerated motion or not?
Yes, sir.
That is. So these all are called as uniform understanding, circular motion. Remember that. So when we are understanding, when the body is revolving with a constant speed in any kind of circular path, then it is called as uniform circular motion. What we should call? Uniform circular motion.
Uniform circular motion.
So these all are the what? Examples of uniform circular motion. You can write satellites around the earth, moon around the earth, earth around the sun, understanding. Or else athlete or cyclist in a circular path, or else you can write the tip of the seconds hand of a watch also exhibits uniform circular motion on the circular dial of the watch. So these all are called as what we should call? Examples of uniform circular motion. You understand or not? Yes or no?
Sir.
So all of you write till here. That's all.